What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to again show you the relationship between the mass of the reactant and product. This is practice number 2, and the question is how many grams of magnesium nitride Mg3N2 are produced by the reaction of 3.82 grams of Mg with an excess of N2. So what we can do, first of all, we need to write the reaction. We have 3 Mg, we balance it, 3 Mg plus N2 gives us Mg3N2. So 3 moles of Mg plus 1 mole of N2 will give us 1 mole of Mg3N2 or 1 mole of magnesium nitride. Here the mass of Mg is given. We need to find out how many grams of Mg3N2 produced. So the atomic mass of Mg is given 24.3. So 3.82 divided by 24.3 will be 0.157 moles. So 3 moles will produce 1 mole of magnesium nitride. 0.157 will produce how much? That will be cross multiplication. It will be 0.157 divided by 3, which gives us 0.052 moles of magnesium nitride. We need to find out the grams or mass of magnesium nitride, so we need to multiply this number of moles by molar mass of Mg3N2. So we need to calculate it first. 3 times Mg, the atomic mass of Mg, 24.3, plus 2 times 14, that makes it 3 times 24.3 plus 2 times 14, that makes it 100.9 grams per mole. So mass will be m times n, which is 100.9 times 0.052, which is 5.25 grams. That's the amount of magnesium nitride produced if we have 3.82 grams of magnesium with an excess of N2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and moles and stoichiometry in chemistry. You can also find out lots of playlists and videos regarding math and other topics such as integration, square roots, and solving linear and quadratic equation. Thank you and have a great day.